live stream. Again, you're here to do some awesome trades. So feel very welcomed as we start. I'm excited to see you here, guys. So please be ready. Be ready with your boats. We are about to begin. We are about to begin. Thank you guys for joining. Welcome, guys. Thank you for joining. David, thank you for joining. Guys. I'm excited to see you here. Thank you for joining. Britza, thank you for joining, guys. Please send your highs as you're joining to be highly appreciated. Thank you for joining. Again, you're here to do some awesome trades, so guys, feel very welcomed. I'm ready to trade today, so should you ensure you have already logged into the Deriv. Ensure you have already uploaded your bot. You can select either your real or your demo. The main thing is that you end up trading with us, okay? And be ready to trade, okay? Yeah, last time the markets were a bit rough, but today let us hope things will be okay. Koniwanjiro, thank you for being here. Brian, thank you for being here. Guys. Thank you for being here. We are back at it again. Okay, as you guys know, in this live trading sessions, we basically usually share strategies. All right, as you're trading, as you're answering questions, but just ensure you participate. Okay, you don't miss out. Gloria, thank you for being here. Appreciate you being here. Emmanuel, thank you for joining. Guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yeah, be ready on your side as you're starting, Alan. Thank you for joining. Guys. Thank you for joining. Please ensure like and subscribe as you're joining to be highly appreciated. Yeah, be ready. All right, guys, be ready on your side. We'll be starting any minute from now, okay? Any minute from now we start. Peter Oero, appreciate that a lot. Thank you for being and appreciate that a lot. All right, yeah, so I think it is time we start, okay? Yeah, so let us start hunting for a market and see how it goes. So let us go. All right, so 101S. It seems like a good market, but this is the problem. This is what will make us not trade this market, because it is too strong. So you cannot end up trading over 1 or over 2. All right, it will put us in a very bad position. So let me go to another one. Let me go to 101S. Let me see how 101S is. 101S. No, let's go to 10. Alan, please today give entry points today for me. Oh, Alan, I did not show you. I think I showed you. Okay, let me show you. I'm sorry about that. For those who are joining us, thank you for joining. You're doing live Deriv trading trades. So please feel free to log in into your Deriv account and be ready as we start. Okay? Yeah, and be ready as we start pushing together. Okay? All right, let me try and show you. Okay, so Alan, basically, if you want to learn about the entry point for one, yeah, I told you guys just come to the channel. In fact, I made these videos recently, so you can just come. Just scroll up a bit. You'll be able to see the over 2 analysis tool strategy. You have the over 2 there. You can also under 8. The under 8 is here. And to find the over 1, it is here. Let me show you. Just scroll this one, okay? Yeah, when you just come to play to this part live, just scroll a bit. You'll be able to see over 1 analysis. Watch this one and this one. These two, I've explained how to trade over 1, okay? Yeah, I've explained it in full depth. It will give you a better understanding. Snatcher KE, thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. I'm very glad to see each and every one of you today. All right, so guys, we've already started looking for a market. In case you find a good market in front of me, let me know, okay? Yeah, now let us get to work. Samuel, thank you for being here. Thank you for joining. Please guys, ensure to tap your screen to like, and please subscribe if you haven't. It will be highly appreciated. All right. This one. Okay. Hey, this seems like a nice one. Let me check it. Wow. Okay. So guys, I have this one. Okay, as you can see, 0 is very okay. 1 is extremely okay, and 2 is beautiful. All right, and if you come here, you can see the green circle is very far, and as you can see, the difference between the green circle and these 2 percentages is very large. All right, it is more than 1%, so we are safe there. Okay, and as you can see, the percentage is very strong, so also there we are very okay. Yeah, so I think we can start this one. Okay, yeah guys, let us go to volatility 75 for an S over 1. Guys, quickly, 75 for an S over 1. Let us not waste any opportunity today. Volatility 75 for an S over 1. Volatility 75 for an S over 1. Please run to your boat and set them to volatility 75 for an S over 1. Remember to put 1 tick on your boat. Let your boat operate based on a 1 tick basis. Okay? Yeah, let your boat use 1 tick. Alright, so 75 for an S over 1. I've already set everything on my boat. Be ready also on your side. Be ready on your side. Be ready on your side. Be ready on your side. Oh, I think even I've put the wrong date. Be ready. I hope you guys are ready. 75 for an S over 1. Yeah, let us give 2 a minute so that we see if it will have a good decrease and then we enter. Fun fact, thank you for joining. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. Be ready. Yeah, so yeah, be ready guys, be ready, be ready. My eyes on the percentage right now. Be ready on your side, be ready on your side. Be ready on your side, be ready on your side. Yeah, but I can see this is gaining a lot of power. This is very... Now you can see the gap between these two is decreasing. Okay, let me erase this. Yeah, you can see the gap between these two numbers is really decreasing. And remember, I told you guys the gap between this green circle and these two numbers should always be a bit large, so that you avoid the instance whereby this green circle ends up coming here or here. Okay, yeah, because if it does that, you'll be in danger. So you have to ensure the gap is at least a bit more, either 1% and above. Okay, yeah, otherwise things can be they can tend to be a bit rough at times if it is not the case. All right, yeah, so let us give it... Oh yeah, you can see what is happening. Soon enough, this green circle will come here. Okay, yeah, then I'm sorry about that. I told you guys, in case you text me and I take more than 10 minutes without replying, just say hi. I'll be able to see your message and I'll reply. Okay, yeah, because these messages usually come in their 2 minutes, and sometimes your message might not be seen. So please, in case you text me and they take more than 10 minutes without replying, please send a hi. I'll be able to see your message and I'll be able to reply. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry about that. Okay, this one has left us, but it's okay, we'll find another one. The good thing is that there are so many setups. We have so many volatilities to choose from. Let us not limit ourselves to one. Okay, we have so many to choose from. So many. 25, no, you are out. Hey, this one is bad. 15 on S. Let us continue looking at it. Wait. Okay, let us leave this one alone. Let us go to that on S and see how it is. Yeah, I told you guys, always be patient. Your energy should be to find a good market. Once you find a good market, now the bot will do the rest. Okay, but you as a trader, you have to identify a good market. Okay, yeah, Connie can start telling me 50 on S. Let me check it. I appreciate that. 50 on S. Let me see. 50 on S over 1, I can see it is not a bit conducive because 1 is too strong here, so this can be a bit risky. And 8, this is okay, but you can see 9 is too strong and its percentage is too weak. Okay, but I appreciate that a lot. Jamix, thank you for joining. I appreciate seeing you here. Let me check out 50 and see and compare between the two. Let me compare 50. Let me see 50. How is 50 faring? 50 also, it seems to be the same case. Yeah, it seems also to be the same case. Ivan Skabaka, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining, guys. I appreciate you guys for joining. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Okay, let me go to 90. No, let me compare. Let me continue. Ivan Skabaka, guys, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Volatility 100 again. The good thing about volatilities is that they usually change every second. So, hey, let me put charge. Yeah, volatilities usually change at a high pace, so you never have to worry, okay? Yeah, within 5 seconds, a bad market can become a good one, and a good market can become a bad one, all right? Yeah, so at least you are given an opportunity to find good setups. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's see. We'll find a good market now. Okay, this one. The problem with this market is that this percentage is too weak. Everything is beautiful up here, but here things are bad. So let us continue. We go to another one. 10-1S. 10-1S, no, out of the door. Fit 10 index, let me see how it is. No. 50 index, so, let me see, can we trade over? No, because these percentages are too strong. Yeah, and also this one is too weak here, so you leave that one. Let me compare 100. I can see Evans has told me 100. Let me check it out. The main thing is that you find a good one. No matter how long it takes, you have to find a good setup. You have to become patient. Okay, Evans, the problem with this market is that 0 is too strong here, okay? Yeah, so this can be a bit risky. And when it comes to under 8 is too strong also. So that again can be a bit risky on your side, okay? Yeah, but again, let us be patient. We'll find one. We will find one. For those who are joining, you're currently trading the over-under market in Deriv, so please feel free to join us. All right, now we go. No. Let's see. Load quickly. No. 15 index. Let's see. I'm telling you guys, some days it is not easy to find a good market. But once you're able to find one, that is it. You destroy that market like no one's business. You destroy it. Okay? But the main thing is never be in a rush. You know, when you're in a rush to find a good market, you might end up missing some things that you're supposed to look at. And that's by the time you realize what you have done, you've incurred some very unnecessary losses. Okay? Yeah, in Deriv, there's some losses which are unnecessary. Those are losses that you incurred because you did a mistake that you did not see earlier on. Okay? Yeah, so that is what we call unnecessary. Okay? Let me go to another one, 50. All right, I can see Evans tell me 50. Okay, I can see. Let me see 51S. Yeah, this one can do. Because guys, as you can see, the reason I'm saying 51S is a good market. Evans, thank you. 0 is okay, 1 is okay, 2 is okay. The green circle is very okay when the percentage is beautiful. Okay, let us go to our bots, guys. We set our bots to 51S over 1. Remember to put 1 tick on your bot. 51S over 1, put 1 tick on your bot. Okay, do not forget that. 51S over 1 tick on your bot. Okay, all right, be ready. 51S over 1 tick on your bot. 51S over 1 tick on your bot. I'm telling you guys, this market is good, so let us not waste it. Okay. Addition: should you avoid red bar on either under 8 or 9 or over 1? Basically, the red circle does not affect us in any way. The positioning of the red circle does not affect our trade in any particular way. What affects our trade is this green circle. This is what you should be putting your eye on. See this? Yeah, the green circle is what you should be focusing on. The red circle does not affect us in any major way. Okay. Yeah, you know, earlier on I was focusing a lot on it, but I came to realize after a lot of trading and practice, this thing, the red circle does not affect us, and you should never have to worry about its positioning, about where it is, unless you're trading differs. Okay, if you're trading differs, the red circle matters a lot, but here it does not matter in any way. Okay, Yeah, so you should not stress yourself. You should not think about it a lot. All right, our market is losing power. Let me see why. I think the reason is because, yeah, this green circle is about to come here. You can see. I'm telling you guys, volatilities, they change at the speed of lightning. A good volatility can become bad really fast. Really fast. Okay? Okay, guys, if you're trading a plain index, the indexes that do not have 1S, you put two ticks on your bot. All right. If you trade a volatility that has 1S in its name, you use 1 tick. Okay. So you have 2 and 1. This is if the volatility is plain. This is if the volatility has a 1S in its name. Okay. Awesome. What if they appear? No. If you see a market has 2 green circles, do not trade it. Okay. A market, any volatility in Deriv, no matter the trade type you are trading, be it matches and differs, even odd, whatever it is, it should only have 1 green circle, 1 red circle. In case you see 2 green circles or 2 red, do not trade that market. Okay. Ensure it has 1 green, 1 red. That is it. Okay. Yeah, because if a market ends up having 2 green circles or 2 red, it shows that market it is not moving, and that can be a bit dangerous. So ensure every market that you trade has 1 green, 1 red. That is it. Okay, for the safety of your account. I hope that is okay. Awesome. So this one can be a bit tricky. This market can be, it was good, but it is tricky. 51S over 1. Okay, Jamix 51S over 1. The reason I'm not trading it is because, first of all, I can see 2 has gained a lot of strength, so this is a bit risky. And yeah, 2 has gained a lot of strength. And and this green circle might end up coming here. And if it comes here, it ends up becoming too close to 1, and you're trading over 1, will end up being in a loss. So, because what happens is this. The 2 numbers to the left and the 2 numbers to the right of the green circle ends up being selected. Now, if the green circle is on 2, the 2 numbers on the right, the 2 numbers on the left of 2 are 1 and 0. And the 2 numbers on the left, and the 2 numbers on the right, is 3 and 4. So if our number that you're trading ends up being among those, will be in danger. Okay. Yeah. So that is why I usually say ensure the green circle is as far away from you as possible. The closer it is to you, the more in danger as a trader you are. Okay. Yeah. So you have to ensure it is very, very far away from you, so that it will not end up affecting you in any singular way. Okay. I briefly explain the conditions for trading over 1. For over 1, guys, first of all, I told you guys, if you're trading over 1 should be below 9.5. All right. So if you see that, you put a tick, and then you ensure 0 is below 10.5. Okay. You ensure 2 is below 10.5. Okay. So in case you see this has been observed, you come and put a tick and another tick. Okay. Another thing, you ensure the green circle does not touch 2 and it does not touch 3. All right. So these two numbers should never have the green circle. Again, the green circle should not be close to the percentages of 2 and 3. Example, if the green circle is, let's say, 12, okay, 12, do 12% minus 1%, you get 11. So these two numbers, none of them should be above 11, because again you'll be in danger. Okay. Yeah, so you have to become really careful when it comes, and that is basically it. Now, for you to trade, you basically wait for the percentage to have an increase and you enter, or you can wait for this triangular ticker to touch 1, and then you start running or press run on your board. Okay. Collagen volatility 50. Oh, you're saying 50. Oh, let me check out 50. How 50 is doing. Wow. Okay. Guys, let us go to volatility 50 quickly. Volatility 50. 50, I can see 1 has 9, 0 9.1, 2 10.3, which is fair. 5 has 11.2, again excellent. The percentage is strong, again beautiful. Yeah, so I think it is okay. All right, Tanyambu, you're very welcome. Yeah, so guys, and again, if you feel you want to rewind and listen to something I said again, you can just rewind your live and listen to it again. In case you feel you have not understood it, please feel free to ask me again. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for those who have joined us, Steve Momo and True Black. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you guys. Okay, guys, let us go quickly to volatility 50 index over 1, and now set your bot to 2 ticks. I repeat, right now, go to your bot, set it to volatility 50 index over 1, but instead of using 1 tick on your bot, use 2. Remember, the plain indexes or the normal volatilities usually update every 2 seconds. So you have to ensure your bot and the market go the same speed to avoid incongruency or friction. Okay, yeah, so ensure your bot and the market undergo the same speed. Okay, still moving for use of 2 ticks when trading the plain indexes. Does that apply to trading under 8 for these volatilities without basically whatever, be it even odd, rise and fall, whatever it is, as long as you are trading a normal volatility, use 2. If you are trading a volatility that has 1s, you use 1 tick. Okay, yeah, be it manually or with a bot. I hope that is clear for everyone. All right, guys, be ready. Volatility 50/1. We are about to start anytime now. 50/1. I right now is on the percentage. You're waiting for the percentage to have a good increase, and then you enter. Okay. Yeah, we're waiting for, yeah, so as you can see now, once it goes to 21.9, we enter. Okay, so guys, be ready on your side. Okay, run your bots. Remember to use 2 ticks on your bot. 2 ticks. Use 2 ticks on your bot. Volatility 50/1. Use 2 ticks on your bot. Okay, you guys have already started on my side. You can see we have already started pushing. Volatility 50, guys, for those who are joining. Over 1, use 2 ticks on your bot. Okay, yeah, volatility 50/1. All right, over 1, use 2 ticks. Okay, use 2 ticks. Oh, I've lost that one. Let me check out why. I'm not seeing a reason why. So again, I told you guys, over 1 is a very risky market, so please ensure your bot can survive this market. Ensure your account can be able to, because this market is not easy. I'm telling you, this market, by default, the overs market is never easy as compared to the under market. So please ensure your bot has a fighting chance in this market. Otherwise, things can go bad really fast. Okay? Ensure your bot can be able to survive. So you can see I've gone 2 losses, but the bot has recovered. But it goes to show you, if you do not have enough, whenever you're trading over, it can be tough on you. Okay? Yeah, it can be tough on you. But if you have good capital, a good strategy, and a good bot, that is it. That is the hack. Literally, that is the secret to Deriv. For anyone who looks for a secret to Deriv, a secret to know, a secret to making profits in Deriv, that is the secret. Okay? Yeah. So guys, we are still moving. We are still in volatility 50/1. Remember to use 2 ticks on your bot, not 1 tick, 2 ticks, so that the bot can go the same speed as the market. The market is still good, guys. I can see there is no reason to stop the bots yet. The market is still good. The percentage is fairly stable. Yeah, it is still okay. Let's go. 14 runs in the pocket. 14 runs in the pocket. 15 runs in the pocket. Let's go. 16. Give me one more. Give me one more. Let's go. 16 in the pocket. We go to 17. 17 in the pocket. 17 in the pocket. Boom. 18 in the pocket. Give me one more. One more. Let's go. Now only 2 more, we stop the bot. Remember, we usually do 20 runs and then we stop. Yeah, for safety and accuracy. Damn it. Why have you incurred a loss? Let me check out why. Losses are bad, man. Nobody likes losses. The worst. Literally the worst. I think it was because of this under trade. Okay, so when you reach 20, okay, let me stop. Hey, I've forgotten to stop my bot, man. It's okay. Okay, so my bot has done 21. I've forgotten to stop it at 20. But that's okay. You've gotten out with a nice profit. At least that is a beautiful profit at the end. You have incurred 17, won only 4 loss. Not bad. Considering you're trading over 1, it is not bad. Again, the bot helps a lot. Okay, you as a trader, your work is to find a good bot. Once you find you as a trader, your work is to find a good market. Once you find a good market, now it is the work of your bot to at least execute whatever you have seen in the most accurate way possible. And it can only do that by having good bots. Okay, because let me tell you, at times you might find a good market. The market is beautiful, but because you have a bad bot or a bad material, you end up undergoing a loss because it is not able to execute whatever you have seen in the most accurate way. Okay, yeah, so I've seen instances where traders are unprofitable, not because they are bad, it is because they have bad materials. Maybe somebody saw a free bot somewhere, they took it, they uploaded it, and then all of a sudden they're wondering why they're having all these losses. So it is better you invest in a good bot and forget about it than keep on using free bots that will keep on draining you every particular day. Okay, yeah, but then most people have quit trading not because they were bad, but because they were using bad materials. So have good bots. Okay, when you're trading over 1 or under 8, use a martingale of 4 or 5. Okay, yeah, 4 or 5. If you're using the Candlemind version 2, put a martingale of 4. If you're using any other bot, put a martingale of 5. Okay? Yeah. All right, that market is in the bag. Let me convert. I actually like doing conversions so that I see what am I doing. What am I doing? I told you guys, once you make a profit, convert it to the currency of your country, because sometimes when money is in dollars, you might just see it as little amounts, okay? So you're able to see the value of whatever you have earned. So you see that is what you have gotten right now, okay? Yeah, just by knowing what you are doing, being patient, and being very strict in terms of the market you are targeting, okay? Yeah, we do not just want to do any particular guesswork. You want to know what you are doing, and you want to do it in the most accurate way possible, okay? All right, let me reset this. There is no time to keep on staying there. Let us find another one. But I think this market is still good by all measures. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the market is still favorable. 1 is okay, 0 is okay, 2 is okay, the over percentage is okay, everything is okay here, everything is okay here, everything is okay. All right, there is no reason for us not to trade this market again. So I think we'll be starting once again, start pushing. We are still in the same volatility 50, so guys, be ready. Volatility 50, we are still on the same volatility. Do not change it. Volatility 50 over 1. Remember to put 2 ticks on your bot. Okay, let me check out that UNS. I hope it is a good under 8. I love under 8 at times, but let us see. That UNS. That UNS. Have you said that UNS, Muremi? That UNS is not good for us because 1 is too strong here, and 8 is also too strong. So both are over and both the over and the under market is unfavorable here. Let me check out volatility 15. Is it 15 on S? Let me check it out. Uh, 15 on S over 1. 1 is too strong here. I remember 1 should always be below 9.5. Yeah, so this can put us in a bit of a risk. This should always be below 9.5.0%. Okay. Yeah, if you see it is above, in a bit of a predicament. Let me go back to where we were, 50. Let me see if 50 is still okay before we proceed. I do not see any problem with volatility 50. Yeah, I do not see any issue with it. It is still good actually. Yeah, it is still good by all measures. 1 is still below 9.5. 2 is at 9.20. The green percentage is far away. Yeah, it is still good. Yeah, guys, let us stick with volatility 50. Volatility 50 is still okay. There is no particular reason to change it. I can see it is still fine. Okay. All right, we are still at volatility 50 over 1. Okay. Yeah, be ready. Volatility 50 over 1. Remember to use 2 ticks on your board. Volatility 50 over 1. Remember to use 2 ticks on your board. Be ready to run your materials. Okay. Volatility 50 over 1. All right. My eyes on the percentage. If the percentage has a good increase, we enter the market. So be ready on your side. Okay. Hey guys, be ready. Anytime now it starts, be ready. Run your bots, guys. Run your bots. Reset and run them. Reset and run your bot. Volatility 50 over 1. Reset and run your bot. Okay. Yeah, you have faced a loss in the first round because of this under, but the market is still okay, so you don't have to worry about it. You can see Nyambu 20 out of 20 wins and 19 out of 20 50. Wow, that is beautiful. Congratulations, Kanyambu. Congratulations. That is very. I told you guys, once you find a good market, you enjoy. Okay, especially if you have a good bot and you find a good market. That is a very beautiful day for you as a trader. You literally enjoy trading. Okay. Yeah, trading. But then if you just understand what you're doing in trading, you will be literally enjoying it. Okay. Yeah. Every time you're free, you'll just be like, I want to trade. So yeah, just put your energy into it, put effort into understanding it, and it will work really well. Okay. So we are still trading volatility 50 over 1, guys. For those who are trading with me, you're still at volatility 50 over 1. You're still pushing. You can see Kanyambo has done some amazing trades there, which is really awesome. And the market is still good actually. Okay. Yeah. So if we make all our target profit in this market, it's a beautiful day for us. Okay. Yeah. But I told you guys, in the review, if you find a good market, do not waste it. Execute that market as fast as you can and leave. Okay. Yeah, do not waste that opportunity, because sometimes finding a good market in the Deriv can be a bit hectic. So you have to ensure be as fast as you can. In the Deriv, you have to be quick. You have to be fast. And the only way you can become really fast is by practicing a lot on demo. All right. By practicing a lot on demo, you get the skills, you get the speed, you get the analysis techniques. It improves you as a trader generally. Okay. Yeah. Why have you incurred a loss? Every time you incur a loss, check out why. I think it was because of this car under that has appeared here. Okay. Yeah. And another, you can see another under has appeared, which is a bit tricky. It's very tricky for us. Very tricky. Yeah, I can see now the market is becoming a bit unfavorable. You can see the percentages are decreasing. Yeah, I guess that has reset. I have seen something has happened in that market. That has reset. You're still on the same volatility. Do not change anything. You're still there, but stop and reset. Okay? Yeah, because there's a large decline that has happened. Yeah, if you see your bot has failed to recover 2 times, it is better you stop before you mess you up on your account. We are still on volatility 50/1, guys. Still be there. Do not change anything. Be there. We are still there. 50/1, use 2 ticks, be ready. We're at 81.7 right now. Don't change anything. Do not touch. Just reset your bot and be ready to start again. Volatility 50/1, 50/1, be ready on your side. Be ready. We're at 81.7. We just have to go to 81.8 and then, okay, run your bots. Yeah, let us run again. Run again. At least now it has an increase. Run again. When I tell you guys to stop, please stop. Volatility 50/1 for those who are joining. Please feel free to trade with us. Volatility 50/1. You are currently running our bot in this particular market. The market is a bit rough right now on this over market, but ensure your bot has a fighting chance. Okay. Yeah, the market is a bit rough, but ensure your bot can be able to keep up with them. If you do not have a good bot, please ensure you WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp me. I'll give you all the bots you need, more than 100. Okay. So that you never have to worry about a bot ever again in your life. Guys, the market is beautiful. Yeah, let us run. Yeah, that one was a bit harsh, because there's a very large decline, but at least now you can see the market is moving well. And the bot is also moving well, which is really beautiful. For those who are joining us, we are still trading volatility 50/1, so be ready. Did you just say that you stop the bot? Yeah, if the bot makes 2 or 3 losses in a row, it is better you stop it, okay? Yeah, because if your bot makes 4 losses in a row, it will clear your account. So if your bot makes 2 losses and it fails to recover 3, stop it, reset, continue, okay? Yeah, so that you avoid damaging your account badly. Yeah, because if you just sit there and just wait for the bot to keep on recovering, yeah, it will clear everything that you have. So you have to become really cautious with this. And again, ensure in case you hit your stop loss, come back the other day, all right? There is always the next day. It is not a must to sit there and keep on trying to recover. Once you hit your stop loss, just leave, come back the next day and continue, okay? Yeah, you have to become in the Deriv discipline matters a lot. It really helps you as a trader a lot. You have to become really disciplined. Okay, can see a lot of friction is happening. The percentage. Okay, let me show you a funny thing about Deriv. Let me show you. Even let the bot continue. So the percentage is beautiful. Everything here is beautiful, but for some reasons you can see under trades are occurring. I don't know why, but they are occurring. Okay, but now this is where you have to ensure your bot is a 4x4 bot, a bot that can be able to cross through a muddy market. Okay. Yeah, I told you guys having a good bot is like having a 4x4 vehicle. That vehicle can go very well on a tarmac road and on a very muddy road, okay? Yeah, but if your bot is not nice, it can be a bit tricky. Hey guys, I don't know what is happening on my site. Let me show you. The platform, so your bot has stopped. Your trade must be... What is this? Hey, let me clear that. I don't know why this happens. Yeah, there it is. It is loading. Let me show you. This is annoying, man. It's annoying, but I was still in profits, which is not bad. I don't know why it does that. Sometimes when you're trading, the platform disconnects and it tells you, I don't know which stories, funny stories there that you should not even listen to. It's very annoying, man. Very annoying. All right, so we still continue the same market. So be ready, stop your bots, and if you reach 20 runs, you can stop your bot. Yeah, because I can see the market is still okay, and then you start going again. You're still on volatility 50 index/1. Be ready with your bot. Yeah, this market today is really nice. Okay, run your bots, guys. Run your bots. Volatility 50/1. You are still on the same market. Okay, same market, same everything. Let us continue. Over 1 is riskier than on the Deriv index market than the 1S. Yeah, definitely. The non-plain indexes are usually much riskier. Over 1 is also riskier, but what helps is that try and find a good market, have a good bot, and the rest will be sorted out. I've been experiencing that so many times. I don't know why that occurs. You can see what is happening. Let me check out where I'm incurring 2 losses. What is this? But then anytime you see that platform has disconnected, just reload your entire Deriv website and you try and set up again. Okay? Yeah, just reload the entire website and set up again. Yeah, this market is a bit rough, guys, so please ensure your bot is a strong one, man. You're moving here so far too, but the bot has failed. But this one was very risky. So if the bot fails to recover, let's say here, you can stop. Okay? Yeah, because now, imagine if the bot did not recover here. I could have, let's say, and it fails to recover the fourth. Almost half of my account will be gone. Okay? No matter how big your account is, that is how you can end up blowing your entire account. Okay? Yeah, so that is why you usually hear some people saying they have blown a $60,000 account, a $20,000. By doing this, somebody just sits there, the martingale keeps on going and going and going. Instead of stopping the bot because the martingale is failing, they just keep sitting there hoping the martingale will recover. Alright? Yeah, remember these bots are man-made, so you're supposed to be careful at times. Okay? Even if they are beautiful, they're magnificent, remember, they were made by a human being and human beings are prone to mistakes. So you have to become careful. Okay? Udin, hello, thank you for joining. Stephen, over 1, I mean. The over 1 is riskier. Generally, the over market, over 1, over 2, over 3, that market is usually like, the over market is usually much riskier as compared to the under. I don't know why, but that is the case, okay? Yeah, so that ensure every time you are trading, ensure your internet is okay, and ensure you have a proper martingale so that in case you have a loss, you can be able to recover. And again, ensure you have a stop loss, okay? And ensure also you have a take profit. Yeah, but the over market, when you're trading it, just know it is much riskier. But yes, you can make profits in it. Even if it is not the same as under 8, you can still make profits in it. But you have to become really careful and have a good bot. I will keep on insisting on that, have good bots. That thing will save you a lot, okay? Which under market is good for beginners? For beginners, the best markets for you are under 8, under 7, over 1, over 2. All right? But the best under 8, under 7. Okay? Under 8 or under 7. But under 8 is much more superior. Okay? No matter the account size you have, that market is really good. I realize in under 1, once you inquire a win, leave that volatility. Do you mean under 1 or over 1? Under 1 or over 1? I'm not sure about that. Please tell you. Oh, damn it! I've forgotten to stop my boat. As you can see, my boat has already crossed 20, and I was just I was reading the comments and I forgot to stop it. All right, 22 runs in the pocket, 325.69, not bad. I've incurred 5 losses. That sucks, but 17 won, which is really beautiful. Again, I'm telling you, with this boat, no matter how hard the market becomes, it will survive. Okay. Yeah, so I think this market has now become ineligible. Yeah, because I can see these percentages. Let's see what is happening. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see anytime these percentages are decreased, under. Every letter red you see here, it's a loss. So if right now you could have been trading, you could have been in some very bad losses. Okay, so you're supposed to be careful when it comes to trading in Deriv. Steve Momo 91S under 8 to chill 80 settle. It's okay. Let me check it out. So is it 91S? Let me check it out and see how it is. 91S. Where are you? Oh wow. Okay, but the problem is this percentage. You'll have to wait for this percentage to have an increase, but it's not bad because it is above 90.2, which is what we said. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, so for those who are trading under 8, be ready. 91S. Yeah, let us wait for it to balance and then we enter. Okay. All right, let me come here and convert. Every time you make a profit in dollars, convert it to the currency of your country. Okay. Yeah, so that you know how much are you making in terms of your country, in terms of your. Yeah, so that is what you are, again, but it's like the same. I guess it is the same. No, this one was 333. You can see this one was 333 here. This one is 325. Yeah, so that is 42 plus 42, that is 84, which is nice. Okay. Yeah, again, capital really helps a lot. But the capital helps a lot in trading, like a lot. Okay. Yeah, but just having a good capital, you have a 55% chance of succeeding in trading, even without a strategy. A 55% chance, okay? But remember, you also have a 45% chance of failing. Now, when you end up having a good strategy and a good bot, that percentage increases to more than 80%, okay? Yeah, okay, you can see this market is aligning. The market is aligning. Yeah, I think you can trade this one. There is no reason not to trade it. 91S, everything is okay. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm observing, guys, let me show you what I'm looking at. Jamix, you're very welcome. I can see Jamix has already made 55. Congratulations from my side. That is beautiful. Congratulations, Jamix, and every other person who is making profits right now. But then, guys, if you make a profit, or in case you earn during the live, just if let's say you have gotten $20 profit, you just type plus 20. Okay. Yeah, in case you have gotten a loss, just write minus whatever. Okay. Yeah, let us be real. Let us be in this live stream. You're realistic and real, so we do not sugarcoat anything. Yeah. So in case you have made profits, you start with plus. In case you have made a loss, start with minus. Yeah, so that at least you have feedback. You can be able to communicate, see where you went wrong, and be able to work on that. Okay. Yeah. Remember, we are here to grow together. So in case you have a profit or a loss, we will be able to help each other. Okay. All right. And the 8 for this market it has been a bit tricky because I can see this percentage has lost all its power. Remember, this percentage should always be more than 90. Okay. If it goes to below 90, it is usually a bad sign. All right. And you should not continue. God's Power, hello sir. I discovered DFAS trading with someone in Nigeria and Kenya is a great success because the prices are timing between both countries 5-second difference. You are ahead, you in price timing. I'm not sure about that. Okay, according to me, I usually see that now we have Deriv servers. Okay, so like they're the servers that are operating the website. So no matter the country you are from, when I access it and you also access it, the time difference will not matter because you'll be accessing it at the same time. Okay. Yeah, the time difference is just but I don't know. I'll do some research on it. But that is awesome, God's Power. If you have seen that, that is beautiful. That is awesome. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I can see this percentage is gaining some power. So let us observe it. Let us see. So far we are at $600 and something. To get on my side, I'm targeting 800 and then I stop. Okay. Yeah, remember discipline helps us a lot. Yeah, 100 index. 100 index, how is it? Let me check it out. Hey, Ivan Skabaka plus 80, congratulations. Oh wow, guys, you have found a perfect and finally. Thank you very much, is it Kanyambo? Thank you very much, I appreciate that. Guys, let us go to our board to set them to volatility 108 quickly. Volatility 108, let us set them to volatility 108. Be ready on your side as I am ready on my side, okay? Volatility 108. Be ready on your side as I am ready on my side. Volatility 108, guys. Thank you, Caroline and Kanyambu, for everyone who is participating. I appreciate you guys. Volatility 108. This one will not pass us. Be ready. But again, there's a bit of a risk because 6 is almost becoming the number in the green circle. But before this comes here, we'll execute some nice trades really fast. Okay? Yeah, so we have to become really fast. In case that in case letter 6, in case digit 6 gains the blue circle, we'll have to stop. Yeah, you can see it is decreasing, so that is a good sign. Okay? Yeah, so guys, be ready. Volatility 108. Let us wait for it. Yeah, 6 is so close. Yeah, my eyes on it. As you can see, the difference right now is a bit large. All right. Yeah, so yeah, I'm observing it very keenly. In case this blue, you can see this blue circle. In case this blue circle comes here, we will stop whatever we are doing. Okay. Yeah, but for now, yeah, you can take advantage of it as fast as you can because under 8 again, as I told you, yeah, is much more speed and better as compared to over 1. All right, be ready, guys. 108, 108. Be ready. 108, 108, 108, 108. Lady Wakano, hello. 108. Okay, run your boats. Hey, guys, I forgot to set my boat. Okay, guys, run your boats. 108. Remember to set your boat to 2 ticks again. Yeah, your boat should always be on 2 ticks if you're running a normal volatility. All right. Yeah, Lady Wakano, please ask a question. 2 ticks, please. If you're trading a normal volatility, a plain volatility, use 2 ticks at all times. Okay. Volatility 108, guys. Volatility 108. Run your materials. Yeah, now the market is becoming really good, man. Run those bots like no one's business. Run them. Lady Wakano, hello. Do you have a question? Guys, run your bots. We're at the market is beautiful. Yeah, release those bots. Under 8, 100, a loss there. I think it is. Let me show you why I've incurred a loss. I think it is because of this overtrade, but the market is still good. Nonetheless, okay. Now these are getting a bit risky. I don't know why. But you're still okay. I can see you're still fine. Yeah, the bot has recovered. You're still moving okay. The percentage has lost some power, but we are still okay. As you can see, 6 has reduced its power, which is a really good sign. Yeah, there's some turbulence occurring, but everything is still fine on the market. Okay. Yeah, let the bot continue fighting. Let the bot fight. Let the bot fight for its life. Okay. Yeah, as long as the market is okay, now you leave the bot to do the rest. Okay. Yeah, you only stop the bot if you see now it is struggling. But if it is not struggling, let the bot do its thing. Okay. Yeah, I'm at 12 francs right now, and you're still going. As you can see, I'm at 12 francs. My bot is still really fighting. The market is not easy, but the bot is really fighting. You're at 14 runs, you're still going, you're still going, you're still going, you're still going. You're at 15 and you're still going still. All right, let the bot fight. The market is okay, let the bot do its thing. Okay, that is how you have to ensure you have a nice bot. Okay, yeah, so that at least it's able to execute what you are seeing. So I'm at 16, only 4 more. I stop this thing and I reach my target profit and I leave. 17, give me 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. 18, let's go. 2 more, 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 2 more. Let's go, let's go. Yes, go. One last one and I close it. One last one and I close it. Give me one last beautiful one. Thank you. Awesome. That is it. 20 runs in the pocket, 340.47 successfully printed. Okay? Yeah, let me convert this quickly. Wow. So that is 40, that is 43. So far we have done 3. You can see the first one was 333, the second one 325, the third one 340. You can see I've had a progressive increase a bit. Yeah, so my target was about 800, so I think I've even crossed it a bit. Yeah, so that is okay, and that is basically how you do it. Yeah, Kenyambu lost. I wonder whether to blame my internet. Oh, somebody asked about the internet speed. When you're trading, the minimum Mbps you should be using is 15. All right, the minimum. If you have less than 15 Mbps, please trade. Please use data. Okay, you can buy data bundles. Just buy data when you're trading for 2 hours and then go back to internet. Okay, yeah, but please ensure you have a strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi should be more than 15 Mbps. Okay. All right, Lady Okano, so I would love to know how will you use accumulators. I've been making losses like crazy. I'll be showing you that very shortly, Lady Okano. In fact, I have some nice videos about that. Steven Momo, Steven Bona nimefikisha stop loss, but it's okay. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Kenyambu lost 7. I wonder whether to blame my internet. Okay, it can be a variety of factors, but yeah, internet can be one of the case. Jamix plus 10, that is awesome. Yeah, I don't know why, by the way, I don't know why, like, sometimes you find that whenever most of us have incurred profits, you find like 2 or 3 people have incurred some loss. I don't know why. I don't know if it is internet or something, but I don't know, okay? Yeah, on my side, at least I've been able to make some profits on my side, which I'm very thankful about that. In case I've made some losses, yeah, please practice a lot, okay? Please ensure you go to a demo, practice a lot, so that you see where you went wrong, so that you avoid repeating the same mistake, okay? Yeah. Okay, let me show you, or Lady Wakano, let me show you. Yeah, so when you come to the channel, but there you can, when you're trading, use Brave. Yeah, just use Brave, all right? Yeah, Brave is much secure and it has a lot of protection. Use Brave as compared to using Google Chrome, okay? Use Brave. All right, so when you come and search the name of the channel, let me search this name, search the name of the channel. Once you search, you come to the name that you click on it. Once you click on it, you come to, in case you want to learn less accumulators, you come to playlist, scroll slowly, don't be in a rush, okay? Yeah, until you find a playlist called accumulators, just scroll slowly. There it is, you can see accumulators. So you come and click on view full playlist. Once you click on view full playlist, you can see there, just scroll to the bottom, you'll see introduction to accumulators in Deriv part 1, part 2, part 3, strategy on accumulators, frequently asked questions, boom, boom, boom. All right, yeah, you get your beautiful strategies there. In case you have any question, you can WhatsApp me or you can text me. I'll be there to answer you. Okay, yeah, just say hello. I was doing on demo account. Leave us know. Please ensure WhatsApp me so that at least you get good boards. Lady Okano, thank you. You're very welcome, Lady Okano. I appreciate that, and thank you for joining our live stream. True Black plus 58, that is awesome. Congratulations. For everyone who has made a profit today, congratulations. In case you have made a loss, go and check out what you do, where the mistake was. In case you doubt that your Wi-Fi is weak, please buy data bundles when you're trading. When you finish trading, you can go back to your Wi-Fi. Okay? Yeah, but if you doubt that your internet is a bit slow or dragging, buy data bundles. When you finish trading, you switch back to your real account. You switch back to your Wi-Fi. Okay? Caroline plus 16, congratulations. Thank you guys for everyone who has made a profit. I'm very happy for you guys. That is awesome. Yeah, so let us keep on pushing. Please, even if you're profitable, even if you're in a loss, please keep practicing on your, in case you're not trading on your reel, practice on your demo as much as you can. Practice various strategies. In case you have any question, ask it. I'll be the one to answer you personally if you ask me, or you can just comment down in the comment section. Yeah, and please guys, if you know anyone who might be interested in trading, share it to them. All right, even if you know someone who's employed, share it to them. Okay, yeah, but that is one thing, because most people are employed, even though they are paid high amounts, or they lack freedom. But one thing that binary can give you is not only good income but freedom. You can be able to trade anywhere, in any place, in a vehicle. Imagine for 1 to 2 hours in a day you have traded, you have made your profits, and you are out. You have 23 hours or 24 hours to you have 23 or 20 hours to do whatever you want. Okay, so please guys, share. Now let your account have said 15. I'm sorry, I'm saying 15 Mbps, 15, not 50, 15. This is the minimum that your internet should be. Okay, yeah, your internet should not be below 15. The higher the better. Okay, the higher it is, the better. If you can afford a higher internet speed than 15, the better it is for you. Okay, Snatcher plus 19, congratulations. Poverty is the enemy. Yeah, that is the enemy. Poverty is the enemy for sure. God's power, love to have a private trading with you, sir, but you hardly respond. Please ensure WhatsApp me after this. Yeah, WhatsApp me for one-on-one private sessions. In case you're interested with that, please WhatsApp me. Yeah, I've not been on Telegram a lot, but I'll ensure I'll contact you today. Okay. Yeah, so thank you guys. In case you have any question, please ask it. Or in case after the live you have any other question. Yeah, by the way, guys, for those who doubt that, as I've said, if you doubt your internet speed is weak, buy data bundles. Okay, you can buy bundles for 2 hours or for an hour. Once you finish trading, you can go back to your internet. Okay, yeah, but bundles are perfect. Bundles are usually very stable, very high quality. Yeah, bundles are actually the best. Okay, yeah. Let me go to the guys. So go to the playlist in case you want to learn anything, be it even odd, accumulators, rise and fall, how to use AI in trading, account management, anything. Just come, look for the playlist of whatever you want to learn. Okay, in case you want to learn forex, in case you want to inquire about classes, in case you want to learn about the e-wallet, in case you want to learn about the API token, in case you need motivation, you feel a bit low, you want some nice motivation, it is there. You want information on classes, it is there. You want to learn about ICT, it is there. You want tips on trading, tips that will ensure at least you increase your winnings in trading. We have 134 videos for you. Okay, even odd, it is there. If you want to learn about things concerned with depositing and withdrawing, it is there. Rise and fall, there. Matches and differs, it is there. In fact, we have 32 videos for matches and differs. Introduction, if you are new to Deriv and you do not know where to start, where do I start? That is your playlist. Over under, for those who want to learn about over under strategies, we have 67 videos for you. All right, in case you have bots and you do not know what to do with them, how to even start, we have 42 videos for you explaining how to go around these bots and everything you should know about a bot. So guys, when it comes to Deriv, just come to our playlist, look for whatever category of videos you want to learn, you'll be able to see it. Okay, yeah, you can see these are playlists on bots. We have many videos concerning bots. Okay, how to use the dollar printer to recover losses with the bot, even odd bot strategy, how to set up and use the candle mine, bot advice, everything for you. The best beginner bot are bots a must. The bots every trader should have, and why. Completed. Again, we have this video here, complete introduction to Deriv bots 2025. There it is. 4 trading bot dangers that it could destroy your account. Do not use your bot to trade on. We have everything. Just take your time, come and find a playlist you want to learn. In case you have any question, WhatsApp me or comment down in the comment section and I will answer you. Okay. Remember, you are to show us the strategy for over under. Yeah, by the way, guys, for those who want to learn about over under before even show you on the live stream, yeah, just come to the playlist. I've made a lot of videos about over under, and in every video you make, I usually explain the bot strategy and the over and the manual. Okay. Yeah, where is this one? Just come to this playlist. Example, this one. Yeah, this is the over under playlist, by the way. Yeah, so for every of these videos, when I talk about, let's say example, you see like this over 2 and under 7, I will explain the over 2 strategy for a bot, and then for manual, and then under 7 for a bot, and then for manual, all in one video. Okay. Yeah, so for most videos I make, I usually explain both the bot strategy and the manual. Okay. Yeah, so you can see they are there. All right, over 2 font strategy, over 3, over 4 font strategy, over 5 new strategy, over 6, over 7. There are so many. There are so, like, literally there are so many. It's up to you just to take your time. I've organized everything for you guys, so you do not have to struggle. Everything is here. Just take your time, come learn. If in case you have any question, ask it. Okay. Yeah, but as the year starts, by the way, in Deriv, Don't never be in a rush. Oh, by the way, I forgot to speak about this. Now let me come back here. Please, guys, stop rushing. Okay? Yeah. One of my members told me that they discovered Deriv on December, and right. Please don't be in a rush. Give yourself a month or 2 months to deeply learn Deriv, deeply practice it, and then ask questions. And then after you see that you're profitable consistently on your demo, that is when you switch to your reel. Okay? But don't just go and learn 2 or 3 strategies and then start trading on your reel. Please, that will be bad for you. Okay? Take your time to learn. Never be in a... Deriv is here to stay. Okay? Don't be in a rush to learn. Don't learn Deriv this week and then next week you're trading. And then you start to wonder why you're incurring losses. Take your time. I told you guys during my first days of trading, I learned Deriv on Monday. Like I think it was on a Monday. By Wednesday I was trading, and let me tell you that year I suffered. Okay? Yeah. So after 1 year, I decided I will not trade for at least 1 month, and then I decided to deeply learn it. Like I decided to learn strategies from scratch. I was practicing daily. I practiced and practiced. I asked questions, and then when I saw that I was ready, and then when I saw I was becoming like very profitable on my demo, that is when I switched to real. Okay? But please don't be in a rush. Yes, you can be in a rush. Maybe you want to maybe you have an emergency. By the way, if you have an emergency, don't see Deriv as the easy way out. Okay? In Deriv, you have to take your time to practice and then ask questions and then now switch to real. Okay? Don't be in a rush. Please take your time to learn it, and the rest will be nice for you. Okay? If you rush the learning process, believe me, if you skip the learning process, even after 2 years, it will bring you back. Okay? So please don't skip the learning process. Okay? Yeah, and please guys ensure double tap the screen to like the live. It will be appreciated. Like the live, subscribe, share if you can. It will be highly appreciated. Yeah, so that when you meet next time, you can be able to trade really, really well. Okay? But remember, guys, do not rush your journey in Deriv. Deriv might seem easy, and then it might end up tempting you to just trade after just learning it for 2 or 3 days. But don't be tempted. Okay? Take your time to learn it. Practice a lot. By practicing a lot, you'll be able to notice a couple of patterns. You might be able to notice some things you have not properly mastered, and it will really help you. Okay? But please take your time. Do not be in a rush. All right? Yeah. But checking these percentages is not rocket. I know it is not rocket science, but you have to practice. But I'm telling you, you have to practice a lot. Okay? Yeah, so that you're able to note all these things. Again, you have to understand the bots you're using. You have to take your time. You have to take your time. Okay? Yeah, most people see it as an easy thing, it's not rocket science, it's not this, not that. It's okay, you might see it as that, but you try and go without learning. You'll be able to see it for yourself. Addition, me, am I good at, but not over under? It's okay if you have seen that you are very profitable in even odd, especially if you're practicing on them and you see you're really making some profits. In trading, I told you guys, in Deriv, whatever works for you, do it. If you're trading accumulators and you see you're profitable as compared to over under, trade it. Okay? But ensure you've properly understood it, ensure you've properly studied it, and then you go to it. Okay? Yeah. Whatever works for you in Deriv, do it. So let J, how long will you take a trader to grow? Yeah, it is fully dependent on the strategy, basically how disciplined a trader is. Okay? Yeah, because some people, whenever they make profits, they like to withdraw some profits. So it is fully... Yeah, but when you target a 20% growth rate daily, it may take you a month or 2 months, and then you might reach there. Okay? Yeah, just target 20% daily. Don't even look at the 10,000. Just your target should be tomorrow I want to get my 20%. Tomorrow I want to get my 20%. Before you know it will be at 10,000. Okay? Yeah, but every day target a maximum of 20% of your account. Okay? Do not cross it. I hope that is fine. Is there any other question, guys? In case there's any other question, please ask it. Ask it, guys. Ask it. Strategy, you're very welcome. You're very welcome, guys. In case you have any other question, you can ask it when you meet next time in the live stream so that you're able to discuss it much better. Okay? Or if you feel it is urgent, please feel free to contact me after the live. I'll be able to WhatsApp you so that we can have a much deeper conversation, and I'll be able to speak it here when you come back. Okay? Yeah, but today's been an awesome session for everyone who has helped me out. Yeah, Konionjiro, I think it was Konionjiro. Let me go back. Yeah, you guys have done a good job, man. Thank you, guys. Caroline. Yeah, Caroline also. Yeah, also Kanyamu really helped us find a good market. Evans also, I appreciate you a lot. Yeah, I didn't get a person. For those even a lot, I'll forget to mention. I appreciate you guys, okay? Yeah, even Moremi, I appreciate you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, and thank you for helping me out. All right? Yeah, so guys, meet next time. Have a good evening and a good time. Cheers.